How to create Uber driver account on Canada. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to the uber.com/ca, which is basically Canada, and once inside you have some requirements to fill. For example, the minimum requirements for the Canadian version of Uber is most people can drive with Uber. The requirements vary by city, but there are a few minimum requirements. Meet the minimum age requirement, be legally allowed to drive in your country. You also have your required documents right here, which is the valid documentation to drive in your country, proof of residency in your city or province, a driver profile photo, and you also have the driver screening. Basically, once you have these documents to go ahead and submit, you want to click on the get started with Uber button, and from here you then want to go ahead and sign up to an account, and from there you can just go ahead and click on the sign up to be a driver button. Go ahead and fill out the necessary information and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.